Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2006 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. This is fifth 1 mark question, came in GATE 2006. An N-channel depletion MOSFET has following 2 points on its ID versus VGS curve. First point, VGS is equal to 0 at ID is equal to 12 milliamperes, and second point, VGS is equal to minus 6 volts at ID is equal to 0 milliamperes. Which of the following Q points will give the highest transconductance gain for small signals? Which of the following Q points will give highest transconductance gain for small signals? A. VGS is equal to minus 6 volts. B. VGS is equal to minus 3 volts. C. VGS is equal to 0 volts. D. VGS is equal to 3 volts. The correct answer for this question is D. VGS is equal to 3 volts. We will see the details now. Given is N-channel depletion MOSFET. ID versus VGS implies nothing but it is transfer characteristics. From transfer characteristics we can calculate transconductance. So at what point it is going to be maximum? Out of below mentioned 4 points. This is a circuit diagram of N-channel depletion mode MOSFET. MOSFETs are going to be basically of 2 types. One is enhancement mode MOSFET, the other is depletion mode MOSFET. Enhancement mode MOSFET doesn't contain a channel initially, whereas depletion mode consists of a channel initially. That is, a permanent channel exists in depletion mode, whereas there is no permanent channel in enhancement mode. So this is a construction. This is N plus source and it is N plus drain. In between the region is called as channel, and where we are going with N channel. That is nothing but lightly doped N channel and heavily doped source and drain. So that since there is a permanent channel existing in depletion mode, whenever drain to source voltage is applied directly, there is a current flows through this drain to source. No gate voltage to be applied. So even VGS is equal to 0 also channel is established. That implies nothing but current flows whenever VDS is applied. So from these characteristics, even though VGS, this is what VGS and it is IDS, this is transfer characteristics. On this one 2 points are given. So this is 0 point. Whenever VGS is 0, by that time there is a channel is created, and because of that one current flows whenever VDS is applied. Assume VDS is applied. By that time the current flowing through it is IDSS. Drain to source saturation current. This is a maximum current whenever we are going with VGS is equal to 0. And if you are applying VGS negative at that time, VGS negative is nothing but gate is negative. Gate is negative, so that it will become negative like this, and it attracts positive charge carriers. So p-type charge carriers, that is holes are going to be coming from this p-type substrate. They are going to be accumulated near this SiO2 layer. So this electrons previously was there in the channel will recombine with the holes now coming. So that the recombinations are taking place, effective number of holes in the channel gets reduced. Effective number of holes in electrons in the channel reducing is nothing but effective current is reduces. As you are applying more and more negative voltage, at that time the current is going to reduces, and current becomes 0 whenever VGS is equal to VGS off. This is also called as threshold voltage for depletion mode. So if you are applying lesser than this threshold voltage, current 0, and if you are applying more than this voltage, current flows in the transistor. So this is threshold voltage, minimum amount of gate to source voltage to be applied to get current flow, below which current is 0. So threshold voltage for depletion mode is negative, whereas threshold voltage for enhancement mode positive. So the 2 characteristics, the 2 points indicated on this one, we will see. One is at ID is VGS is equal to 0, where ID is 12 milliamperes. So this is 0 point, by that time it is 12 milliamperes given, and the other is at ID is equal to 0, VGS is minus 3 volts. This was given. So we are indicating it separately. These are transfer characteristics of depletion mode MOSFET. the 2 points is going to be, first point is 12 milliamperes whenever VGS is equal to 0. So this is the 12 milliamperes, and second point is nothing but at VGS of minus 6 volts current is 0. So now at which point transconductance is more? The given 4 points were indicating these are is equal to plus 3, VGS is equal to 0, VGS is minus 3, VGS is minus 6. These are the 4 options given. And transconductance, the definition is nothing but delta ID by delta VGS. So change in drain current for a given change in voltage. Let us assume delta VGS is going to be a constant one, a unit change of VGS. So this width of whatever we have written, this width is going to be delta VGS, which is constant. So whenever you are going with constant VGS, the area under this one is going to be indicating delta ID. Delta ID is here 0, and delta ID is a little bit larger compared to that one, and here it is more than at minus 3, and this area delta ID, this is nothing but this area is going to be greater compared to all other 3 points. So for the same VGS applied, delta ID is more at plus 3. Whenever VGS is equal to plus 3, at that time drain current is more. That implies nothing but transconductance is more. So at VGS is equal to plus 3 volts, the area under the ID curve is maximum for unit VGS. So GM is maximum when VGS is equal to plus 3 volts. If the option is at plus 5 also, at that time transconductance is more at plus 5. So the correct answer for this question is VGS is equal to plus 3 volts. Thank you.